all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we got Titanic issue 57. Excellent stuff. This is the fourth funnel, so that's going to look brilliant. There are the parts. Excellent. And we'll need this from previous. This is what the fourth funnel will sit on, obviously. So let's have a quick look at the magazine. Okay, issue 57. Coming in issue 58, we have decking for the boat deck, the first class smoking room, decking for the roof of the smoking room, benches, vents, cowls and screws. Excellent, we'll do that shortly. And here we have 5 unsung heroes going through the magazine. That looks like a cracking watch. Brilliant. Lovely, these old stories. Well, they're not old stories, it's obviously historical, but they are very interesting reading. I like how they put them together. I really do. And here we have the step-by-step instructions of the fourth funnel. So you have the funnel plating, the interior, the top of the fourth funnel, the stair collar, the forward water pipe platform, aft water pipe, whistle with steam supply pipe, interior fourth funnel, ladder, funnel cap, AP, DP screws. Nothing we haven't done before, except it's slightly different. All of this we've done before, but here, so we don't put a smoke generator in it at all, but we do put a cap on it, and then we fit it onto here. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the parts out. There we go. Those are all the components that we need. The ladders, there's that funnel cap, as well as there's that stair collar, the platform. There we go. Excellent. As always, we need to pop that on there. We need to fix this with 6 screws, which are these tiny DP screws. 2 here, 2 here, and 2 at the bottom, just there. So, okay, let's get this first one in. We'll get this middle one in. Slowly does it. Right, and we can get the rest in. There we go. Excellent. All 6 in. Dab hand at that now, aren't we? Does help if you've got a pair of magnifying glasses as well. Excellent. Right, pop that to one side. What we need now is this top part of the funnel and this stair collar. Now it will go one way. There's 2 openings, one there, one there, and that stair collar will only fit one way. Excellent. Now we can fit this. There is 1 hole there and 3 there. Those 3 go to the back of the funnel like that, because that one matches up with those 2, because we'll have a pipe to fit. But first of all, we have this platform which will go just there, like so. Yeah, and we can glue that into place. I don't know whether everybody is gluing it or not, but I think it's best to be glued into place anyway. So I'll get the glue. There we go, there's the glue. Pop that back on there. Right. Let that set, give it a minute. There we go, that's nicely glued into place now. So we can pop that back on again. That way, yeah. Like that. And pop that to one side, and what we need is 57E and 57H, which is the whistle. There's the whistle at the top. And this fits to 3 holes. 1, 2, 3, just like that. There we go. Excellent stuff. Oh, it's brilliant. And then it will fit onto here. Just like that. So we'll get that glued into place. Oh, it's brilliant. Okay, we got the whistle glued into place. Now let's pop this back on here. There we go. Lovely jubbly. What says it? Popped it out. You don't need a great lot of glue on. There we go, just enough to hold it. That'll now set. Brilliant. Liking just like that. Let's give that a tick. Excellent, that should have set nicely now. Now we can put the ladders on. There we go, four sets of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get that in place. It's entirely up to you whether you want to glue each and every one. I don't usually glue each and every one, just in case you ever need to take it out. The top of the funnel I usually leave. If we can get it in place like that, should be fine. There we go. Let's get these top 2 in, pop them in. There we go. And that looks brilliant like that. Excellent, I love the gapping as well. Right, I'll just pop a bit of glue on them. There we go. Yeah, I'll put glue on that one and that one. I don't like putting glue on the rest of them because they pop into place nicely. They're well situated. There we go. That looks brilliant. That just leaves this pipe, which goes in here. Get that top funnel correct. That one goes there, that one goes there, and that one will go in there, just like that. Oops, that's a spring out, that one. There we go. I think that one definitely needs a bit of glue. So I'll pop some glue on that and show you in a sec. There we go. This is the technique I use. Cocktail stick, a little bit of glue down there, and then we can pop this back into place. There we go. Excellent. There we go, that's that pipe. That looks brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, now with those pipes in place, we can pop this a couple of notches there and there just on the inside. Whether you can see them or not. There, yeah. So these two cutouts will fit there like that, so that should sit in nicely. And then the funnel cap with the detail away from the platform, there are a couple of notches there and there that will fit here and here. If you can see that detail there, yeah, you can see the couple of notches on the interior of that funnel, so that will sit just like that. Now it's saying not to glue it at this time, but that is how it fits. We can put masking tape on it for now. Excellent. Now we need to pop this into position. Here we have the base for this fourth funnel. See how that cap has come off now, and we basically position that there like that. That looks brilliant, and we secure that underneath with AP screws. So we get these out. Put one screw in there. It's going to look fantastic, this, with all four funnels in place. I don't know why it doesn't want us to glue that funnel cap in, but anyway, that sits there like that for now. Looking brilliant. You got to hold it. Well, that looks fantastic, does it not? Excellent. Let's get the decking, have a quick look what it's like up with the decking. There we go. That's the approximate position of the fourth funnel. I think issue 58 we do get some more decking here, so it'll, yeah, elevate that, straighten it up a little bit. Anyway, there we go. Because yeah, as you can see, it is missing components there. And there we have an overhead view. Excellent stuff. Well, that's brilliant, guys. There we go. There's the fourth funnel completed. That funnel cap is still not fixed in place, but all that platform and ladders and steam pipes looks absolutely brilliant. Excellent stuff. So onwards and upwards onto issue 58 next. Brilliant stuff. Anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for issue 58. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.